Welcome to another Loba vlog, in which Lohbado will slowly unfold the Moranovian philosophy. Nature in the city. Lohbado is dancing with nature in the city. Communion with all things in nature. Lohbado liked it outside. Grass, the river, trees, clouds in the sky. Everything is moving. Just as every object throws a shadow, every dark moment has a positive manifestation, a presence. Every moment of darkness is the underside of an infinite nature, Uzia, Uzia, U-cha, U-cha. Shadow, infinite nature, infinite presence.
Imagine if the statues could talk. Oh, yay. Imagine if the trees could talk. Hey, hey. And the rocks and the water and the walls and the pavement all talking together, or in unison, in harmony, in polyphony, in counterpoint.
Nature in the city. You dance with it, dancing. The old man dance very slow. You feel the life flowing through you, the life force, your breath coming in and out, your heart beating, the blood circulating, the digestive fluids, the stomach churning, the intestines.